Alright, I have a 2016 Toyota Tundra, and we're going to show you how to fix the maintenance required soon light. So go ahead and turn your key over to accessory. And we're going to turn it one more. I'm just going to show you the light that comes on, the on.
Disaster.
Maintenance required soon. So we're going to go back. You see that I had my oil changed. I'm going to go to accessories, which is the second one over. Go to your push trip odometer and get that to A. Oops. I guess it's on. We're on trip A, so that's on, I guess not just on accessories, but on the on here. Second one over. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to reset that real quick. Okay, at this point I'm going to hold down the push odometer. I'm going to actually turn off the ignition. I'm going to hold that down and then put it back into the on position. It says resetting maintenance data. And we should be good to go. So, recap on the 16 Toyota Tundra. Put your key into the on position, so 2 clicks over. Make sure your thing is on trip A. Okay. Turn off your key. Okay. Then you want to hold this down, your odometer trip button, or yes, hold it down. Flip your key back over to the on position, and that resetting maintenance thing will come on, and just hold it down until it's done. Let go, and you're good to go. Alright, thanks for watching this video, my friends. Everyone have a great day out there.